Hi everyone, I'm just here to show you a new feature that we recently added to EchoBot. This feature allows you to take the top clip from your streams and embed that in a browser source and have it automatically change. What I mean by that is, as new clips are submitted of your stream, either by you or your community members, this clip will change in your stream. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to add a clip to your starting soon scenes, your BRB scenes, your ending scenes. Maybe you have a stream showcase scene. There's any scene where you're not talking a lot and you just want something that shows off the best moments from your channel. This will automatically change. And this will give you that tool and it will automatically change. With the added bonus that because community members can vote on these, it gives you a great way of interacting with your community and staying connected with them in the fact that they can vote and contribute to what clip gets shown in this scene. And once you've set this up, it will automatically change based on what's submitted on the EchoBot website. So what it'll do is it will look for your top voted clip over the last month. Now, if you haven't got a top voted clip for the last month, it will go back to the previous month. If you haven't got one there, it'll go to the previous month and so on until it finds one. So it's a good idea to get into a habit of submitting your clips or encourage your community members to submit clips, get them to vote on them, get them to let you know what they think is the top clips. This is a really good way of staying interactive and having your sort of downtime scenes have some interesting content in them that dynamically changes based on your community. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to set this up. In this case, I'm setting it up in a starting soon scene. This is my own starting soon scene for when I'm playing Factorio. Like I say, this can be in any scene you want it to be. So BRB scene's good, end scene's good, stream showcase scene's good. But in this case, I'm going to show you in the starting soon scene. Now, the setup is exactly the same in Streamlabs OBS. The layout of the settings is a little bit different, but it's exactly the same. So you should be able to follow this in Streamlabs OBS as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to add a browser source. And we're going to call it something meaningful. EchoBot top clip. And hit OK. Now, the first thing we're going to change is the URL. Now, this URL is going to be featured on the guide on the EchoBot website. So if you have trouble typing this out from me speaking it, or you're watching on a really small screen, don't worry, it'll be in the guide so you can copy and paste it. So basically it's echobot.me/streamblock/top-clip $streamer equals and then your EchoBot account name. It is not your Twitch name, it's your EchoBot account name. Bear in mind, EchoBot links multiple stream platforms, so it's not necessarily going to link. It's not necessarily going to always be your Twitch you're going to want here. For most of you, it will be your Twitch clip showing, but the account name is your EchoBot account name. Part of this, this is why we often recommend to people to have the same account name as your stream name. But for those of you that do have a different one, please bear in mind this is your EchoBot account name and not your Twitch account name. So in this case, I'm going to put mine to show this off. I'm going to change it to BigMonD. I'm going to change the width to 1280 by 720. There are other sizes that work as long as you're in that aspect ratio, but that is the size that the video will render in. So, and then we're going to make sure we check this box down here, this refresh browser when scene becomes active. If we don't check that box, when you switch to the scene, if you've already used the scene, the video will be sitting there on stopped, having already played. So if we check that box, what we're going to make sure is that every time we reload the scene, it restarts the clip. So, and then we're going to hit OK, and I'm sure this is going to show. Here we go, loads in. Fantastic. The best of clips. The best of clips. I'm actually really glad you guys can't hear that right now, because that's me singing happy birthday to someone. Right, so now we've got the video that's in here, and this looks like a Twitch video, but this looks like a Twitch player, but it's literally just a browser window that's had everything but the Twitch player trimmed out, so it can show the clip. So we're gonna just shrink this down and put it anywhere we like in our scene, and that's pretty much it. We're done. Like I say, it's a good idea to encourage your community to go and upload some clips, get them to tag you, get them to upvote them, and this will automatically change. So now, whenever we go off to a different scene, we go to the live game one, which is just black because the game's not loaded, and we go back to stream starting soon. The clip will reload, and it will play again. Fantastic. Fantastic. So now, whenever somebody submits a new clip, it will only overwrite this clip if it's higher voted for the last 30 days. But this gives you a nice dynamic piece of content. We are planning to add settings for granularity, so daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, later. We're going to add other options to maybe show your worst clip if you want to, but feedback to us. Let us know in the Discord. Let us know on the comments on the website. Let us know what sort of changes and settings you'd like to this, and we'll do our best to make them happen, guys. Thank you for watching. Love to see this in your stream, so make sure you tag me once you've set them up, guys. See you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.